the devil got a hold of me, he wouldn't set me free. He kept me so for ransom. Na 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 na. I'm a sailorman from Glasgow town. I've roamed the world around and round. Meanest thing that I had found on my days of wandering. Na 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 na. I could see his evil eyes, then he took me by surprise. Take me to your paradise, want to see the jungle. Na 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 na.
Some say the devil is dead, the devil is dead, the devil is dead. Some say the devil is dead and buried in Killarney. More say he rose again, more say he rose again, more say he rose again and joined the British Army. Feed the pigs and milk the cow and milk the cow and milk the cow. Feed the pigs and milk the cow and early in the morning. Tuck your leg up, Paddy dear, I'm over here. Tuck your leg up, Paddy dear, it's time to stop your yawning. Some say the devil is dead, the devil is dead, the devil is dead. Some say the devil is dead and buried in Killarney. More say he rose again, more say he rose again, more say he rose again and joined the British Army. Katie, she is tall and thin, she's tall and thin and tall.
Come on, here we go! Let's everybody go play a song called Sean Sam from Gayo.
It was on a dreary New Year's Eve, the shades of night came down.
Let's hear you sing it.
And Lorry Low, of volunteers approached the border town. There was men from Dublin and from Cork, Fermanagh and Tyrone. And the leader was a Limerick man, shot south from Garryowen. And as they moved along the street up to that barracks door, they scorned the danger that they might meet or the fate that lay in store. They were fighting for whole Ireland and to claim her very own. And the foremost of that gallant band was south from Garryowen. The sergeant he spied their daring plan, he spied them through the door. With the Sten guns and their rifles, a hail of death they'd pour. And when that awful night had passed and to men lay cold as stone, there was one from County Monaghan and one from Garryowen.
Here we go! On Jerry. You're looking well. Everyone, the Hayes Hotel tonight. Come on, let's see, singing with the Fina.
But no more he will hear the seagulls cry, the mirror shining side.
Come on.
We fell beneath a northern sky. Ray O'Hanlon was by his side. He is gone to join the gallant band of Plunkett, of Pearson and Son. Whoa, whoa. Another martyr for old Ireland, just out from Garryowen.
Hey, ho.
Another martyr for old Ireland, just out